There are some common misconceptions when it comes to eco-washes. Firstly, how can a longer wash cycle save me water and energy? And that eco-washes clean less effectively due to lower temperatures. We'll tackle the longer washing times first. Heating the water is the biggest use of energy during a wash cycle. That's why we're constantly being told to wash at lower temperatures. Now, eco cycles don't clean as effectively. Most laundry detergents are just as effective in cooler temperatures as warm. Your washing machine has special drum movements to agitate laundry to ensure detergent is effectively distributed to all the laundry in the drum. Washing at cooler temperatures also protects your fabrics, preventing colours from running and fading, meaning your favourite clothes will last longer. There are 5 main aspects to how modern washing machines clean your clothes: water, heat, detergent, time, and movement. Eco-cycles save energy by using less water and washing at cooler temperatures. They have to compensate for this by increasing the time and amount of drum movement to ensure you get the same great results as you would when using a non-eco cycle. You can even reduce the temperature further on some machines to save more energy. You might think you have to go by the labels on your clothes, but despite their recommendation, they can still be washed at lower temperatures. Eco-cycles can wash a full load of laundry, while rapid options that don't take as long usually only hold a smaller load. This means you need to run multiple cycles to wash all your clothes, and you end up increasing the amount of water and energy you use. There are plenty of ways that Hotpoint can help you protect your clothes as well as your wallet. Active Care technology can be found on Hotpoint washing machines and washer dryers. It's tough on stains, but kind to your clothes, all by using temperatures as low as 20 degrees.